It's your job to create a culture where things like this, or even this are possible. But what happens when you feel like you can't catch a break and drama keeps coming to your door? Or what happens when you're at your wit's end trying to figure out the best way to develop your people? Eventually, you'll say what we've all said before. So how do you turn this into this? First, you'll talk about it with people you trust and respect. But that doesn't solve the problem, so you'll search keywords and ask for help from your professional network. And if we fast forward a few weeks, you'll likely discover Everything DiSC and fall in love. Everything DiSC introduces people to this very simple but very powerful people map. Everyone quickly finds out where they land, discovering each other's styles and preferences. It's about using this new knowledge to better manage a person, or earn their business, or work through an argument with them. Basically, it helps everyone communicate, leading to better relationships and teamwork. You work with your Everything DiSC authorized partner and find the perfect solution to fit your needs and budget. Let's back up for a second and explain how you got here. First, you've found that a lot of the learning solutions out there are flavor of the month training programs, which got people excited but didn't deliver lasting behavioral change, not to mention results. You needed a solution like Everything DiSC that helps people understand themselves and what they need to do to work better with the people around them. But when you started looking at other personal assessment tools, you found that some assessments are too complex and hard to translate into something meaningful to the everyday situations your employees face. And other assessments are too simplistic, leaving you wondering what you're paying for and how it's supposed to help your team. Everything DiSC is simple without being simplistic. The model is easy to remember and provides actionable ideas for working with others. Every employee walks around knowing what they need and how to work best with their peers. We have a passionate and dedicated team building and rebuilding, testing and retesting our products to ensure effectiveness, engagement, and satisfaction. So whether you're looking for team training, one-on-one coaching, or large group seminars, your Everything DiSC authorized partner can work with you to find a solution that meets your needs. So what are you waiting for? How can Everything DiSC improve your workplace today?